so right now we're gonna take a quick test drive around the block.
Okay, no, there's a log right by us. Hey, what are you doing?
Just I don't crash.
I think you hit the log.
No.
I heard this sound.
What's up, guys? It's the Fixbroz, and right now we're back at the shop. And let's just start the video off with this. As you can see, the white fit is all primered up. Not sure if you can see it in the camera really well, but it's ready to get sanded, and then it's gonna be ready for paint after that. And if you're looking behind me, you can tell that there's another car standing over there. Well, I'll say that for later. And looking over here, we had a professional come in and weld our engine mount. The reason being for that is because if we wanted to take it from the parts fit, it would have been so much work. We would have to take apart half the engine, this whole part right here. It would have been just a hassle. So we'd rather have a professional come in and weld it for us, and that was about $120, so that's some extra costs for the red fit. So also what we want to do to the red fit is we want to get the most scratched up wheels that we have from the parts fit and from this fit and paint them black. I think it'll look sick with black wheels. What do you guys think? Take a shot of this and imagine it with black wheels. That would be sick. I think it'll be nice. And also, it would be cool if we could paint the brake calipers yellow. That'd be pretty cool. I think it would look really nice with red, black, and yellow. Put your thoughts in the comment section below on what color you think it should be. But imagine this in black, red, and yellow. I think it'll look pretty nice. And okay, now let's go and reveal the project. And it is another Honda Fit.
Let's talk about the damage on this car really quick. So both wheels in the front are hit. You see this? This one's actually bent and the tire's flat. And then on the other side, this wheel is hit lightly. And the fender was hit, but Paul just kind of straightened it out. I don't know why. He likes doing that all the time. Now, if we try to remove the fender, Paul, can you remove the fender? Can you remove it? Okay, so there's literally no frame damage on this car. It's all straight, exactly how it is from the factory. This might look like a dent, but it's not. It's supposed to look like this, and all it is just this door has a hole in it. We're gonna replace it. We already ordered a new fender. The headlight is in the trunk, and the bumper is, I'm not sure actually where the bumper is. It's probably missing.
Okay. Sucks, the bumper's missing. Wait, we got the headlight.
Yeah.
Oh, broken.
Well, yeah. One of the tabs is broken on this headlight, so I think we're gonna have to get. And yeah, there's multiple.
And then it's
broken
cracked.
ones. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to get a new headlight.
Definitely
and
a new headlight.
New bumper. What else? Oh yeah.
Didn't we order the fender already?
Yeah, we ordered the fender. Okay, and check this out. This is cracked right here, so we're gonna need to get a new one of these. And then this tail light is also cracked.
But we have it in the parts.
Yeah, we do have one, but it's sort of damaged. You can see it up there. It's damaged. The mirror, we have the mirror. It's right over here. Good mirror. Just gonna need to get painted. New wheels. So it's such a good match. We have these good wheels on the parts car, but they're all scratched up. And we wanted to paint the rims on the red one black. So we could use these scratched up rims, paint them, and put them on the red one. And the ones from the red one, we can put them on this car because this rim, I'm pretty sure it has some damage. And then the other rim is completely trashed.
Okay guys, so going on the interior of this car, same as the white fit. Why am I even in here? So here's the progress so far. I've done one spot weld right here. I did one spot weld right here, and this second one is really tough. It's a really tough spot to get into, so that is gonna be probably for another day, or I'm gonna need help doing that. So, going over there, Tim is installing the new airbox on the red fit. Okay guys, so also I forgot to mention that this car has 42,000 miles, almost 43,000 miles, and by the way guys, this parts car has a leather steering wheel. Check it out. Leather steering wheel. I don't know if you guys can see that really well. And we might take the steering wheel and put it into the red one, but we're not exactly sure yet. So Tim is about finishing up the airbox. And also, the primer, I've seen some people do this mistake all the time, is sanding the primer on the next day or the same day that they sprayed it on. Do not do that. The best way is to let it cure and dry onto the car. If you sand it the same day or the next day, over time, it settles into the Bondo, into the body filler, and it makes like low spots, and you can see the scratches, and it doesn't look very nice. So make sure you let this settle, fully bond onto the car, and then you can sand it down. So after about 3 days, it's supposed to be good to go.
So here's what we got done for today. We got the airbox. We got the new airbox from the parts car into here, and then Paul was drilling something out over there. I'm not sure what he was doing. If you guys have any video ideas, things we should do on our channel, or how we could make our projects go more smoothly, leave it all in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to read all your comments and all your suggestions and all your video ideas. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to drop a like. If you're not a subscriber, press that subscribe button right over here, and we'll see you guys next time.